central part of the flower called the ovary, then it's a fruit. If it grows from any other part, the other quick, easy way to think about this, if you can find seeds inside it, it's going to be a fruit. Now, let's look back at that picture for a minute, or that model over there for a minute. You see right in the center, there's a white structure that goes right up in the air. That's the ovary. That's the very central part. When the flower gets pollinated, do you all know what I mean by pollinated? Not that much. Okay? So this was the outside of the flower. The petals fall off by now. This was the stem, and the ovary in between them enlarges. As soon as it gets pollinated, this flower has the central part that gets bigger and bigger and bigger. What did I say has to be inside to make it a fruit? Seeds. And something that you might not realize, apples are in a group of fruits that are called star fruits. Does that thing look like a star at all? But wait till you see how the seeds are put in. 90 seeds inside, and this is an ovary. This is a true fruit. Now, if your eyes are good, you're going to be able to see something else. Now, let me back up a little bit. See, there's a green dot there, there. See the green dots all the way around it? That was actually the tube. It's called the tube nuclei, where the pollen grew down into the flower to start the seeds. That's actually a little hollow tube that goes from the back of it all the way to the front. It was inside the original flower. Okay? How many of you ever cut an apple this way before? Oh, you did? Okay, well, I thought it might be something new. Okay? But how many of you ever looked at the star pattern and saw those other characteristics in there? Pay much attention to it? I got a couple. It'd be good. You got to be observant in this world. Now, we all know that along with vegetable, well, let me ask you again. What are we looking at here?
Tree.
A tree? Not exactly. Anybody else want to make a guess?
Stem.
Okay, stem's down here. Got a couple leaves still on it. They usually cut those up when they harvest. What are all these little BB things up here? All these little round green things.
The leaves.
No.
A seed.
Nope.
Flower.
Flowers. If I walked up to you and said I'm going to give you a bouquet of flowers, would you be highly impressed? But that's when I get to that, that's at the end. I'll put a paper towel down. It's just water and magic. This is one thing I really don't like about Hanford. They put all the stuff out like this, and then they have